Hi, I'm Dee and welcome to my channel. Today I want to declutter. So let's get decluttering. Welcome. I've been decluttering for a while on my channel and I've come a long way since I began my own decluttering journey. And I've learned that letting go of your items is a process. Sometimes it's going to take more than just once, twice to declutter an area, a space, a season, and a wardrobe. I'm still decluttering and I'm still sharing my journey here as I keep going. Check it out. Oh man, those are, oh, it's already on my hand. Do I really want to put these out? Okay, hold on. Let me get something. Oh, these are always fun. Sticker books. I like these a lot. Okay, definitely need to use this for my candy bowl dish. Hold on, let me wash my hands. Okay, much better. I don't really buy glitter for that reason. I have these that I need. I like these. I bought these last year, and then they have little things on the opposite side, so you get like, you know, two for one. Some tablecloths and then napkins, and then this one here. So I got options, and that's it for this one. Hi, kitty. Of course, I got my supervisor kitty. So as you can see, I have some Halloween stuff that's already up. I'm not too sure what I want, but I figure why not take everything out, and then I can figure out what I want to keep, what I want to donate, and what I want to put in the trash. Okay, so it didn't hit record. I didn't hit record. But these are a bag of like little candles. I've had these for a long time. This is a garland of little bats. That goes with the other pumpkins I have. We have lights, which here's the other part of that as well. And then I have light up spiders. I used to throw Halloween parties, and And then this is just something that I can write with a chalk like marker for my parties, for my buffet table. For a spider web. And 2 light up necklaces, because that's who we are when we have parties or when we welcome our trick-or-treaters. We like to have those on. And that goes with my little centerpiece. And you know, here's these little guys. I'm just not going to glitter anymore. This was part of something. I think at one point I had this hanging from our ceiling lamp. But this can all be trashed. Even this, I just not into glitter anymore. It just gets all over, and yeah, I just can't handle it. So I know for sure I want to put this in the garbage. So let me go ahead and toss this. Definitely gonna keep those. I like these to be the tablecloth for Thanksgiving. This one is more like 2 minutes of footage froze here, and I'm not sure why. But to sum this portion up, I decided to donate the one tablecloth that I'm holding that I have never used. Then I changed my mind. And then I'm going to see if I can use it for Christmas, and if not, then it is out of here. I didn't realize I had 2 of these, and that's fine. So I'm going to place one in Queen G's room, and then I'm also going to place this one upstairs in the little hallway there, just to have some fun. And then I have these 3 pumpkins here. For Halloween, I'll leave in the black, but then after Halloween, first I like to take the black one out and just leave those 2. So let me put those where they go. Alright, I have these, which I'm not going to get rid of because I have like a little vase I need to find, and I can play around with these, so I'm not going to get rid of those. These ones I just bought recently, so I'm not going to get rid of those ones. These sticker books are really cute, but I think I'm going to use them in my planner, and I think that's it after this year, and then I'm going to go ahead and toss those. These I'm going to keep. This I can trash. This one I haven't been used at all. Might as well get out my little marker and use it this time. These lights I want to place above the entertainment center to go along with the bats up there. And then these purple ones I'm going to use outside. And same thing with these ones with the spiders. I think that will always look cute above the door to frame the door. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that. The bats are fun. I think I'm going to place that around one of the windows. This is the spider webs, which I can also use. I haven't used this in a while, but I think I might go ahead and just use it outside. So that will go outside as well. And then this right here is the candy bowl, which I'm gonna need. And then I have these lights here, and these light up, so that looks cool. I went ahead and decided against this. I don't think I'm gonna probably use this. It's never been used, so wah, 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 wah. All this goes into the recycling bin. That is that. All of this is gonna go outside. I'm not gonna do that until in a couple more days. So all of my Halloween decor can can now fit in this one bin. It doesn't have to go into 2 bins. Got an extra storage tote. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. For right now, I'm just gonna leave that there, just so that Queen G can enjoy that when I turn that on for her. All of my Halloween decorations will now fit into 1 bin. Several years ago, I had like 4 bins of Halloween decor. Crazy. And then I decluttered, I think the last time, and I got rid of 1 bin. More Halloween that could be donated to go with my Survivor Island whatever costume. Donate this whole box of all the costumes. That's great to get rid of all of this that's in here. And I was down to 2. Now I am down to only 1. Yay me. Thanks a lot for watching.